Hey, another episode of the fake healthy foods that are really junk. So there's so many statistics and chemical names and stuff like that. So I got to use my notes. But listen, the key point here is there is so much junk in this that is pages and pages of notes and stuff like that. We're going to make our notes available on our Nutrition Sense Facebook page. So be happy to go there. Get all the information you want there, or there's so much, I tell you what. And the bottom line is, don't buy it, don't eat it. But anyway, hey, anything less than your really conscious commitment to what's important is an unconscious commitment to things that are unimportant. So look, it's the ugly truth. It's the ugly truth about this stuff that's behind me, and we're going to give you all the 7 little dirty reasons and chemicals and issues. We did a little teaser a minute ago about how they make the Reeses popcorn puff, and it's all processed. It's just the process of doing it, why they call it processed food. Okay, so number 1, the dirty little ingredients by I'm just going to give you the initials, BHT. Okay, it's a preservative that keeps cereal from going bad. It also messes with your hormones. It's been linked to so many different things like that. Cancer. It is clearly a very highly well-documented problem. Okay. Number 2 is the easy one, artificial colors. Okay. Red dyes. Okay. Red dye 40 contains carcinogens. Yellow dye 5, is hyperactivity in children. It was also noted a 42-year-old lady who gradually developed chronic nasal blockage because of this, okay? Yellow dye 6 is also another one. Blue dye 1 is a synthetic that is causing problems, okay? Research, I'm not going to sit here and try and be a chemist about this, okay? Number 3, modified carbohydrates, the cornstarch, okay? This is the cornstarch. It's chemically altered to survive this process of making the cereal. Okay, they say, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, but it's a mess. Okay, number 4, glossifieds and pesticides. There's also one chemical that's in paint thinner that's in it. Okay, so that's another one. I mean, Cheerios, Honey Nuts, a variety of levels have the same some of the chemicals that are in weed killers. Okay, number 5, the high sugar. Okay, one study very clearly in the link. It's all about what happens when you have too much sugar, particularly if these kids are eating it. Look, I used to eat it, so no kidding. Okay. Studies conducted by the University of South Carolina conclude that obviously the sugar and hyperactive, that's part of the bad stuff, and it's all in here. Okay, if you look on that label, it's going to say, high fructose corn syrup. What's the problem with that? Okay, number 6, partially or fully hydrogenated oils. Okay, these get into the trans fats, risk of heart disease and inflammation. Number 7 is the infamous paint thinner. Okay, it's called trisodium phosphate, TSP. Okay, TSP, a chemical and paint thinner in your cereal. Okay, it helps the sludge side of this as it comes out and makes these cute little shapes. One of the things that I had pointed to was the little Reeses balls. How they get that, and the colors and all that. That's the mess of it. Okay, what should you be having for breakfast instead? Well, you can have oats. We can have good fruit. Fruit is particularly so good. Okay, we want you to be aware, and then the main thing is we want you to stop. Avoid this aisle. That's the bottom line of it. You can stroll on by, but again, I was talking about in the other episode, my father's physics book. Okay, a body in motion stays in motion until something acts upon it. We hope that this video will help you understand even more the specifics of this. Again, go to Nutrition Sense Facebook page. We will have the PDF of these notes in summary form, and you will be informed. Thanks so much, Denny at Nutrition Sense, where eating great is not expensive.